and this video will show you how to withdraw money from your Rainbet account to your Cash App. There is only one way to send money from Rainbet to Cash App. You can only send cryptocurrency from Rainbet to Cash App, and this cryptocurrency is Bitcoin because Cash App only supports one cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin. So you need to open your Cash App account, then you need to click bank icon in the bottom left corner and scroll down until you will see Bitcoin. Then when you click the Bitcoin, you need to scroll down and right here you will see this button, deposit Bitcoin, get your Bitcoin address. You need to click on this and you need to copy your Bitcoin wallet address. After you will copy your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address, you need to log into your Rainbet account, then click wallet in the top, go to the withdraw, select the cryptocurrency you are withdrawing from Rainbet, in this case Bitcoin, select the Bitcoin network. And right here, you need to paste the Bitcoin wallet address we just copied from Cash App. The minimum withdrawal amount is $15, so you can choose any amount above this number and then click the withdraw button. After a few minutes, you can check your balance on Cash App. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.